What is the Earnings and Deductions feature and how do you use it? This module shows the earnings and deductions incurred by the employees and their statutory contributions. How do you set employees' earnings and deductions? First, locate employees from the drop-down menu and click Earnings and Deductions. You will see three categories: the statutory, the earnings, and the deductions. First, let's explore the statutory. Click the Advanced filter and select the employee whose statutory information you are setting. After an employee has been selected, fill in the Add Statutory Type form with the statutory information. Select the statutory type and fill in the amount. Once done, click Check. Next is the earnings with the first classification, recurring. Click the Advanced filter and select the employee whose earnings you are setting up. After an employee has been selected, click the Search button to bring up the name of the employee. Select the employee and fill in the Add Earnings Type form. Select the earnings type, input the amount, and then the effectivity date. You may also select the periodicity of the earnings if it is payroll, first payroll, or second payroll only. Once done, click Check. We also have Other Earnings. This is usually used for outright earnings like adjustments or one-time payment. To book, click the Other, one-time sub-module. Search the name of the employee, then click. Once done, a window will open where you will find a Create option. Click Create, then fill out the corresponding details such as date, other earnings type, etc. Then click the check icon. Once done, the other earnings booked will be reflected on the payroll generation accordingly based on the date set. Finally, the deductions. We have three classifications for deductions: the regular, recurring, and other one-time. Regular deduction is intended for booking deductions with monthly amortizations, such as loans and cash advances. To book, click Regular. Look for the employee name, click Employee Name, then Create. Fill out the necessary details such as the type of deduction, total amount, amount per deduction, and dates. Next, the recurring deduction. It is intended for deductions that recur every period or month with no total amount to complete, such as saving, dues, MP2, etc. To book, click Recurring. Look for the employee name, click the name, then Create. Fill out the necessary details such as the recurring deduction type, amount, effectivity date, and others that apply. Finally, the other deduction. This is usually used for outright deductions like overpayment, donation, breakage, etc. To book, click the Other one-time sub-module. Search the name of the employee, then click. Once done, a window will open where you will find a Create option. Click Create, then fill out the corresponding details such as date, other deduction type, and others that apply. Then click the check icon. Once done, the other deductions book will reflect in the payroll generation accordingly based on the date set. And that's the earnings and deductions feature and how to use it.